Hello. In the early part of the day, I am here discussing with you the amazing benefits that coconut oil has to offer. It's been 10 years now that I got to know about the advantages of coconut oil, and I made a conscious shift from vegetable oils to coconut oil. And I would urge each one of you to make that shift as well. Let's understand why. Very recently, I moved to the southern side of India, and I noticed that the people here were strong. They were well built. The women had dense, dark, beautiful hair. They had glowing skin and very soft, without any cracks on their feet. What is it that gave them this distinct advantage? And my investigation led me to know that morning, afternoon, and evening, what they are consuming is coconut oil. They are cooking in the coconut oil. Now, this coconut oil has a very high smoking point as compared to most vegetable oils in the market. So whether it is your canola oil, rice bran oil, any other vegetable oil, does have a very low smoking point, which has the capability of giving you oxidative stress, free radicals, and leading to a damage to your DNA. But that's not the case with coconut oil, because coconut oil's smoking point is very high. So even if you deep fry into coconut oil, it will not cause as much damage as your normal vegetable oils will do. It's a myth to believe that coconut oils will increase your cholesterol, because plant does not have the ability to increase your bad cholesterol. It is only your animal products or animals that have the capability of producing cholesterol from within. So let's not believe this myth. The coconut oil has medium chain fatty acids. So when your liver breaks down these medium chain fatty acids, it converts them into ketones, and these ketones are neurological healers. They are neuroprotectors. So children with autism problems or ADHD problems, or even adults with Alzheimer's issue, can greatly benefit by consuming coconut oil. It's not just for consumption, but it has amazing benefits to offer when you practice it as oil pulling, because it takes away all of those toxins right in the morning when you practice this process. I hope this inspires you to make a shift from your vegetable oils to coconut oil, and it is a remarkable elixir. If you have an access to, you must use it to your advantage. Please, if you are liking my content, do share your comments. I would love to hear from you and learn from your experiences as well. Namaste. See you again very soon.